What is adapter server and what is it used for? Quantic has several options that allow us to integrate or connect with external data to streamline the management of the company. Among these mechanisms are connectors. One type of these connectors are called adapter servers. As we can see in the example in the image, it allows our application users to connect with external applications through the Quantic interface using adapter servers. In this example, we have a corporate global network that has an office in London that uses CRM and an office in Seattle that uses ERP, while our application users work with Quantic. Sometimes some of the Quantic processes need to interact with CRM or ERP software, like in this case. Thanks to these adapters, the three applications are connected, and from the Quantic interface, you can read and edit data in any of them. Use. To interact with Quantic, it is necessary the use of prefix and suffix type of fields that we already know, but instead of connecting them with an Quantic family element, these are connected to elements that are in external applications. Once they are connected to the external application, we will obtain some results. Let's imagine a process where you need to select an item, for example, an employee salary of an entity, the payroll. By doing so, the suffixes are displayed in the form, as we will see now. In this case, we can see that when we select a payroll, the sum appears automatically. Once a record of the external application has been selected in the prefix, the values can be modified, and if necessary, updated from the form to the external application, and the other way around. This also applies to other prefixes and suffixes. When to use them or not. This, as everything, is recommended to be used in certain cases, and sometimes is not. Sometimes a web service or a script allows you to create, delete, view or modify data in a database. So you may be wondering, why use adapters to view or edit? For example, let's suppose we need to see the invoices of a customer in a selector of a form. When using a web service or the imported service, we could import the invoices to Quantic, for example, to a family of records. Once copied, the invoices could be selected in a form. This option may not be ideal when there are hundreds of thousands of invoices, as it would be inefficient to import all the invoices when we only require one. Additionally, this can also be problematic if the data source synchronization connection is lost when the data is being copied. We can also opt for custom programming, but implementation and maintenance might be less efficient, more complex, and require more advanced technical knowledge. Incidences when we don't recommend using it. When you want to create or delete data in other applications. When the external application does not allow said connection, and whether there is already a specific connector for the external application, such as SAP or Dynamics CRM.